Hi everyone, welcome to these tutorials. 22 pretty handy features of Jupyter Notebook, which I hope would improve your work efficiently with Python, Markdown, LaTeX, HTML, R, and many more. I'm Professor Dr. Shukawei. This tutorial series includes 23 videos with 22 features of Jupyter Notebook. The first one is about how to change the themes of Jupyter Notebook. The second is about how to solve the unavailable terminal problems on Windows if you have such problems. Number 3 is about how to create python.py extension files. Number 4 is how to run external Python codes. Number 5 is about the impressive methods to handle .py files. Number 6, we'll talk about the Smart Code Auto Completion plugin. Number 7 is about the frequently used shortcuts in Jupyter Notebook. Number 8 is about how to change current working directory and show his files. Number 9 is about how to use the multiline cursor in Jupyter Notebook. Number 10 is about how to install a package or packages and check his or their information. Number 11, how to run HTML. I will display 3 ways. Number 12 is about how to run JavaScript in Jupyter Notebook. Number 13, how to align text. Number 14, how to align math equations. Number 15, how to align tables. Number 16, how to align and size images. Number 17 is about how to create zoomable and resizable interact plot. Number 18 is about how to create interactive widget plots. Number 19, how to create a table of contents. Number 20 is about how to transfer Jupyter Notebook into an immediately slideshow. 20 for the 21 aspect or point, we will learn how to convert the Jupyter Notebook into a standalone web application. Number 22 is about how to run R in Jupyter Notebook, because a lot of students in my classroom ask this, so I think also it's very good to talk about this topic, and it is very convenient to run R in Jupyter Notebook. Also, some students facing the problems of when you install R or running R, it asks to install packages on the OneDrive on Windows, these problems. So we are also talking about how to solve this problem if you are facing these problems. Another things here, I would very appreciate you if you could subscribe my channel. The benefits of subscription includes that you can get the update information of my courses or tutorials or lectures or my answers if you have a question on time. Your subscription is always the best support for me to produce more free courses or tutorials in the future. Here, I just provide you 3 ways to subscribe my channel. The first way, you just click here, in the videos, and just click, then click subscribed. Another way is you can just click here, subscribe, or you just click this linkage, subscribe for more tips by click this one. And these course tutorials, there's no order. That means you can go to this web contents here. You see, you can click the linkage to any of the videos or topics. Then from there, you can go to another videos. Also, at the end of the video, you can also go to the GitHub and download the course code, these tutorial codes, if you like. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is the introduction of this tutorial series. Thank you. Hope see you in the tutorial. Thank you.